So hello friends, welcome to Coin Money Crypto, and today we are in green zone, and now I think the green zone will be continue for a very long time. And right now, first we talk about the current market, that Bitcoin is around 39,000 and Ethereum is 26,000 2600, and Cardano is $1.55. This is the market, and right now mostly cryptocurrencies are in green zone. And this is the current news, and current the price is this, and it will pick around 16% up. And now we will talk about the current latest news, what Rich Dad and Poor Dad says. Robert Kiyosaki. Rich Dad Poor Dad's Robert Kiyosaki urged crypto investors to buy the dip, says stop winning and take action. Yes, he means to say that always buy the dip and invest for long time, not for short period of time. If you want to make money for good time, then for good future, then you buy in dip and hold for long time. And another, we can see a positive news about the market, that what the market is. Many corporates, many companies asking their governments, like here you can see that the section of crypto trading to deprive nation of opportunities. Iranian fintech war. Mecum auction now accept digital currency payments for collector cars. You can see that and now we talk about Polymatic price prediction. Where will Matic go after the latest crypto crash? Matic is a good project, and as per my view, Matic will go to $10 in future, but not now. First we stick to the Bitcoin, our main king coin. Yes, it's Bitcoin, not it's a king coin. We can say king coin. Yes, and our king coin is at 39,000. And as per my view, if you hold it for a long time, and this will definitely touch 200k. Yes, 100,000. Yes, 100k. It will definitely touch to 100,000. Yes, and you will definitely make money, because you already know that cryptocurrencies are decentralized. Many crypto exchanges are decentralized. No body, or not a complete one nation like China, can control this decentralized system. Not a single nation can control a decentralized system. So invest for good long run, long future, good future, but it's your money, your decision, your risk. So before investing, do your own research, and investment like a business. Whenever you start any business, any franchisee, any shop, anything else, any property you buy, then this never happen that you buy today and within 1 day or 2 day you sell it for 50% profit or something like that, or 100% profit. Similar, take it as a business, and definitely good business definitely win, but business needs time, business needs patience, business need continue business process, and business process. It is already running, but it needs time. So always before investing, keep in mind that if you want to come in crypto business, then hold your crypto assets, good crypto assets for a long time. Only then you will able to make good money in future. If you will come in this system like a trader, then you will always lose, because trader mostly lose. If they trade 10 bets, then around 8 bets they lose, and 2 or 3 bets they only win. So always take it like a business. And thank you. If you like the content, if you like the video, please share this Please share this video with your friends. What's on their WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and subscribe the channel. Hit the bell icon so people can get the good information. Now you can see it's now at 39,000.